Just before boarding his flight, the man noticed something unsettling. It was October 15th. His flight number was also 1015. And even stranger, the original 9:30 takeoff had been delayed to 10:15. Everything pointed to 1015. The repetition made him uneasy, so he casually asked the pilot a question.
Good flight today?
No, very good.
The pilot smiled kindly, but something about his expression felt off. Once on the plane, the man kept a close eye on his surroundings. Before he could even sit down, a stranger nearby gave him a warm smile. Tom smiled back politely. As the flight attendants began the safety demo, Tom noticed an MP3 player in the seat pocket ahead. Curious, he picked it up and pressed play. To his surprise, it was telling a creepy story about Flight 1015, which happened to be his exact flight. He slipped on the earphones, and as he listened, he realized the story was mirroring real life. The voice said passengers had fastened their seatbelts. Tom looked up and saw the crew doing the demo. Then it said heavy rain was falling outside the airport. He lifted the window shade, and sure enough, it was pouring. Every detail lined up. Then came the chilling line. Flight 1015 would vanish from radar 1 hour after takeoff. Tom scoffed. That couldn't be real. Just then the plane shuddered as it lifted off. But the coincidences were piling up, and they were starting to shake him. Still, the plane was already in the air, so he tried to convince himself it was all nonsense. Then the MP3 mentioned a few odd details about the disappearance, like the pilot's name, Mike. Tom froze and paused the recording, because moments ago, the pilot had introduced himself as Mike, exactly as described. Tom's hands trembled as he hit play again. The voice said a flock of birds would appear near the plane, and at 10:21, one of them would hit the engine during the storm. Suddenly, a loud bang rocked the cabin. Tom shot up in panic. He checked the time, 10:21 on the dot. His heart pounded. He stumbled to the bathroom to splash water on his face, hoping to shake off the dread. When he stepped out again, the flight had calmed, and to his shock, none of the other passengers seemed to care about the explosion at all.